Life could be a dream, life could be a dream. Do 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 shaboom.
Like many of you, I have not left my home in the last, oh my god, I need to shave. Hi, my eyebrows look kind of messy, and that is because I am doing my eyebrows today. I'm gonna be trying something different. I saw this video that this girl did, and she was doing Snitchery'S facelift eyebrow method hack or whatever. Basically, you shave off the ends of your eyebrows and then, yeah, you kind of just draw it back on. But yeah, she looked really good. I mean, she looked really good originally, don't get me wrong, but she looked snatched, and I want to look snatched. So I figured, why not? Let's go ahead and do that today. Also, I've noticed that my eyebrows are a little funky. When I film videos especially, I've noticed that I speak with my left eyebrow, and every single word I say, it just like moves up and down. Anyways, it's not really like I'm gonna be going out anywhere, but I'm just gonna do this for myself. I'm gonna shave my eyebrows off. Yes. But honestly though, if I shave off my eyebrows, my mom's gonna freak out. Let's get started. As you can see, my eyebrows are clean as a little. I know that y'all weren't ready for this close-up, but here it is. So these are my eyebrows. This is Tiffany and this is Monica, and Tiffany has been through a lot, if you can tell. Do you see that gap right there? That is not because I overplucked my eyebrows. That is because when I was 8 years old, I was in a restaurant. I don't know why that eye was closed. And I was running around with my cousin, and I ran into a waitress, and she was holding a stack of plates, and then I got hit in the eyebrow with plates, and then I had to get stitches here, and it's been missing ever since. So there's that. And then this is just bald. I don't know what's wrong with this side. Yeah, that's the story of my eyebrows. Anyone cares about my skin, it's still pretty bad. I'm kind of scared. I can't believe I'm doing this, but no one cares. All right. You know what? This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take off like this end of it and just have it like cut off like that. And then this side is already there, so I don't really need to do much for it. Oh my god, my eye makeup looks busted, and well, pow. That was the first stroke. Wow, I really did that. I feel like I need to be more generous with what I'm doing, but I already don't have that much hair. Let's do this side. Oh, that was quicker than I thought it would be. This side looks kind of whack, so I'm gonna go back and do that. And now we're just gonna do my eyebrows. Thumbnail? Okay, no. This is what I'm doing. I mean, I don't know if you care to look.
It was in this moment that the glue that held together the lashes of our homegirl's womanhood came undone, and all respect for our homegirl was lost.
Okay, again with the autofocus, please. Hello? Now I'm just gonna draw my eyebrow. I feel like that looks good. Oh my god. My eyelashes. Oh man. Oh my god, I swear to god. Okay, I'm just... Bye. Today is a no eyelash day, and wow. Time to put my eyelashes back. Sorry for the detour. I feel like this is the most unprofessional makeup video. Okay, that's fine. That side's fine, and now this side. I think I overdrew that a little bit. Whoa. Wow. I look the same, but a little bit better. Actually, I can't tell. I kind of look like a man. Kind of like it. What if I did that? Yeah, I think my eyebrows look pretty good. This is what I look like without my glasses. I massage my nose, so I'm looking a little better. Am I beautiful now? My eyebrows are snatched now. Yeah. I don't know, I would actually highly recommend it. This is a method and your eyebrows grow back after you shave them, so it looks good in my opinion. I feel like I could have elongated it a little bit more so that they didn't look like two lines, but for what it is, I really liked it. I feel like I could have done much more. These are nice brows in my opinion. Whew, okay. That was the video, and that was actually very quick. I don't know how long this video will turn out to be, but hopefully 10 minutes. I don't know. It doesn't really matter though.
Just kidding. It is here that our homegirl decided it was a good idea to add more va va voom to the front of her eyebrows. Ha ha.
That is not a fade. That is just aggression. Again, looking very angry now. I don't know what I'm mad at, but I am mad. Okay. This is how I look right now. Looks like I have no battery left. Wow. Okay. Hi, I filled in the front parts of my eyebrow a little bit more just to give it a fade, and now I look angry, but this is the end result. This is how it's supposed to look. But obviously on this pancake of a face, it looks a little different than how I expected. Yeah. Well, I guess I have to walk around now just looking like this all the time, but that's the price of beauty. My eyebrows look good, I think, in my opinion, but I just look really angry. That's the face. Yep. That is the video today. I still can't tell if I dig this or not. I feel like my eyebrows are a little bit dark, but nothing a little bit of makeup can't fix. My side profile looks a little better, I think. Like just snatched, like this. Bella Hadid, who? Yeah, that is basically it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Also, I'm thinking of going up to New York this weekend, not for fun, just to get my stuff from New York, because my lease is ending in a bit, and I don't know, the whole like moving process is such a hassle with like when you're out of state, but yeah, I might vlog that. We'll see. Okay, bye. Do I look good?